How to make animation in Wix 2025. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making an animation in Wix and seeing how it actually works and pans out. So to do this, what you're going to be doing is you're going to come over to your website editor, obviously. And now to create animations, let's say I want to go ahead and animate some specific picture over here. Okay. So let's say I'm going to go over to this page, which is the SEO page. And now here I have these pictures, right? So I want these pictures to be animated in. So they're all going to be faded in, okay, just like that. And I want this image to be faded in as well. So you can actually add these different animation effects. So once we've done that, let's go ahead and see how it looks in the preview. So now that we've done that, we scroll down, look at that. So that's one animation that we have, which is pretty cool. And as we scroll down, you can see that it's already appearing right now, but obviously it's appearing because the page is already loaded. So let me show you in better retrospect. Let's go back to the editor. Let's go ahead and add an image. Okay. So we're going to add this image. And once we add this image, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be adding a layer of animation over it. So here's animation and effects. Let's go ahead and have it zoom in like that. Okay. And now once we go to preview, look at that. Once the page loads in, it's going to animate in, and that is how you're going to make an animation in Wix. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.